Ehang is about to launch its 216S eVTOL model. The company has recently revealed the estimated price for this human-carrying drone, which will be approximately $410,000 in markets outside China. This pilotless aircraft features vertical takeoff and landing, functioning much like a massive quadcopter. It boasts 16 electric motors, with one propeller attached to each motor. Remarkably, it can cover a distance of approximately 22 miles or 35 kilometers on a single charge. The cabin accommodates 2 adult passengers along with some luggage. This aircraft operates without the need for a pilot. It's essentially pilotless. Prior to takeoff, you can input essential details about your route and destination. The intelligent avionics and navigation system will then construct the optimal flight path, handling all tasks seamlessly without requiring any additional assistance. The Ehang 216S is poised to hit the market soon. According to the company's estimates, initial sales are likely to commence in 2024. By the following year, Ehang drones are expected to successfully complete their first commercial flights. Such technology is perfect for several tasks, including air taxis in big cities, traveling between islands instead of using traditional planes, and aerial tourism. It's evident that the estimated price of $410,000 is not low enough to generate high demand once the drone enters the market. However, many large companies are interested in this technology. Ehang appears to be one of the first companies in the world to officially enter the market. By the way, the Ehang 216S has already obtained certification from the Civil Aviation Administration in China and is about to receive similar certificates in several other countries. We still don't know what kind of license private buyers will need to operate such a machine. Additionally, it remains uncertain whether the Ehang 216S will actually be available for private buyers. So, what will we get with this eVTOL model? It can cruise at a speed of 62 miles per hour or 100 kilometers per hour. Its maximum speed is 81 miles per hour or 130 kilometers per hour. The maximum altitude is claimed to be almost 10,000 feet or 3,000 meters. The drone can spend about 21 minutes in the air on a single charge. They claim that you can fully recharge the batteries in about 2 hours. Now, the payload. The aircraft is capable of lifting an overall weight of 485 pounds or 220 kilograms. The body is entirely made of carbon fiber composite material, which is exceptionally lightweight, yet possesses the necessary strength. Currently, Ehang Company claims to have received over 1,200 pre-orders from all around the world. Impressively, there have been thousands of crewed test flights with 0 accidents, at least based on the information available to us. The company's market capitalization now stands at approximately $1 billion, and it continues to grow. Interestingly, while Ehang previously focused primarily on overseas markets, its main goal now is to address the rapidly growing demand in China. In numerous interviews, company representatives assert that China boasts the fastest growing potential market for eVTOLs across various sectors, and Ehang is on its way to meet this demand. Given that Ehang is publicly traded on the stock market, we should approach their claims with the understanding that they may aim to influence stock prices and promote growth. Until the first eVTOL enters commercial use, it remains challenging to ascertain the veracity of everything Ehang states. Nevertheless, this Chinese company is now on the cusp of ushering in an air mobility revolution, not merely in words but through actual sales of passenger drones.